As the automotive industry evolves, car manufacturers and suppliers are gearing up to introduce some really groundbreaking technologies that will redefine our driving experience. This is the tech that you will see in every car of the future. In a trailblazing move, Mercedes have embarked on a 3-month AI integration trial within some of their vehicles. Now imagine querying your MBUX system about the beaches in California, where you can have a leisurely barefoot stroll on the sand. The AI-enhanced response for the system transforms a mundane interaction into an insightful conversation, enriching your driving experience. Now, rest assured, the Mercedes AI system operates on an opt-in basis, residing within a secure closed network. Your car remains your companion, not your controller. Stepping beyond the AI role within a vehicle, AI is also revolutionizing the car buying process. At miniusa.com, they offer an interactive experience that's reshaping how customers actually explore their car buying options. Navigating to miniusa.com, prospective buyers can interact with an AI voice clone, engaging in a unique self-dialogue about their interests in perhaps a Mini Electric. This engaging technology crafts shareable videos designed for social media platforms, adding a personalized touch to the whole purchasing journey. While Tesla's smart summons faces challenges, BMW has positioned a seamless valet solution. Imagine effortlessly dropping off your car at a hotel or mall entrance and then allowing it to autonomously valet. When ready, a simple prompt summons your vehicle back again to you. BMW and Mercedes are embracing the allure of self-parking convenience. Now, you've seen those hyperscreens in vehicles like Cadillac and Mercedes, right? Prepare to witness these expansive 8K hyperscreens becoming a standard feature in future cars. Yet suppose a colossal screen isn't your preference. In that case, BMW presents a captivating alternative, a panoramic heads-up display extending from A-pillar to A-pillar, elegantly utilizing the full expanse of the windshield. Your car's security is now taking cues from your smartphone. Much like your iPhone's seamless recognition, facial recognition is debuting in the automotive world. Mercedes has pioneered the fingerprint scanner, enhancing their ultra-luxury models. Now, Genesis, in their GV60, employs an external facial recognition to unlock its doors. This cutting-edge feature is poised to become ambiguous in every car. Even vehicles like the rugged Jeep Wrangler are using modern tech. Witness the transformation of the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. It introduces electric seats. I know it sounds like a very old technology, but defying the challenges of the past thanks to an ingenious waterproofing system. These seats remain functional even in wet conditions, emphasizing innovation in its simplest form. Even from groundbreaking technologies to the modern displays, all of this AI features and modern tech is being used in the modern car, which we're going to have to embrace. We must embrace the excitement of change as these features reshape our driving experience and pave the way for an exhilarating journey ahead.
I'm Nik Miles.